Creating pivot tables in Excel is a great way to quickly analyze and summarize your data. And with the help of Copilot, it can set that up for you in a matter of seconds. If I click on the Copilot button, what I'm going to do is ask it to create a pivot table for me. I'm going to start with a simple example where I just wanted to summarize my sales. So I'm going to say create a pivot table summarizing sales by product and sales rep. And so what it's going to do is show me a preview of what that's going to look like, and if I do like it, I can add it as a new sheet. You'll notice I mentioned sales rep even though my field is called salesperson. So Copilot's able to figure out what I'm talking about here, so you don't have to worry about if you don't get the name exactly right or the exact spelling of the name. So I'm going to click add to a new sheet, and what it's going to do is create that sheet and load that pivot table in there. And so what's really convenient about this is it's added that, and it's also set up my field. So it's put salesperson in rows, product in columns, and the total sales in the values section. So it's set that up for me. So it goes a bit further than just actually creating a pivot table, and then you still have to set it up and put the right columns, the right fields in the right places. So that's a nice feature where it does that step for me as well. Let's create a bit more of a complex request and say, okay, let's create a pivot table summarizing sales by sales rep and date, and group the date field by month. And so the idea being, I wanted to show a breakdown of what my sales are by individual month. I don't want to see every single date on there. And so here we've got the year, we've got months, and so now let's add that to a new sheet. Let's see what that looks like if it was able to set that up properly. So it has. So we've got years, we've got months, and we've got sales rep, and we've got sales. Now the one thing, one caveat about this is sometimes I've gotten mixed results with this where I put in the instructions, but it can't figure out exactly the right way to set that up. So if you come across that, just try and rephrase it. Adjust your prompt maybe to specify it in a different way, or try it again. Just rewording it a little bit, but for the most part, it should be able to set that up, like in this example, grouping your dates by month and putting it into a format like this where it's setting up your pivot table in a way where it's easy to read. It's got the fields set up correctly. Right now, there's not a whole lot of advanced things that it can do with pivot tables, but for the basic functionality and setting it up like this, this is something that Copilot can help you do. So if you're looking for advanced features, I wouldn't expect that from Copilot just yet, but if you just need the basics in being able to create a pivot table, it can definitely help you do that right now.